Hello students. Today we will see the use of quadratic equations. What is the applications of quadratic equation? How to useful the quadratic equation in our daily life? The the problems, word problems arising our day-to-day life. Now here one of the example is given. In word problem there are given some conditions, and from that conditions we have to form an equation. And if you give the equations from the given condition, if you solve the given equations and find out the solution of that equation, and the solution we convert in verbally what is they required in the example. Now here is one of the example. There is a rectangular onion storehouse in a farm of Mr. Ratnakar Rao at Tivasa. The length of the rectangular base is more than its breadth by 7 meter, and diagonal is more than length by 1 meter. Find length and breadth of the storehouse. Now I am drawing the figure. This is a storehouse, the rectangular storehouse. They have given some conditions. The length of the rectangular base is more than its breadth. Means this length is more than its breadth by 7. Means we have to first consider the breadth of the storehouse. This will be x meter. Then what about the length of the storehouse? The length of the storehouse is more than its breadth by 7 meter. Means its breadth is x and more than 7. That is the length of length of the base of the storehouse. And another also given here condition: diagonal is more than length by 1 meter. Where is the diagonal? Now here is the base of the breadth and length of the base is here. Then diagonal E of this base of the storehouse. Here is the diagonal. And this diagonal is equal to 1 more than its length, means x plus 7 plus 1 means x plus 8. X plus 8 meter is the diagonal. And from this condition, here is a rectangle here. The triangle formed is a right angle triangle. This triangle is a rectangle. Therefore, from this we solve this example. First we consider, let the breadth of rectangular storehouse be x meter. Therefore, length of the storehouse is equal to x plus 7 meter, and diagonal is equal to x plus 7 plus 1 means x plus 8 meter. Now here we have the breadth, length and the diagonal of the base of the storehouse. Now here this is the rectangle. Therefore the triangle is a right angle triangle. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, you know the Pythagoras theorem, base square plus length, or that is height square. Length and base are at a right angle position. Length is equal to x plus 7 square base square plus height square is equal to diagonal square, and the diagonal is x plus 8 bracket square. Solve this. X square, the square of this is first term square plus 2 into first term into second term means 2 into 7 is 14, x plus 7 square is 49 is equal to x square plus 8 into x, 8x into 2 it is 16x plus 8 square is 64. Here is x square, it cancels, the remaining is x square plus 14x minus 16x plus 49 and 64 brings to left hand side minus 64 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus plus 14x minus 16x minus 2x, and here is plus 49 and minus 64 is the remaining difference is minus 15 and the sign is minus is equal to 0. You get here the quadratic equation. If we solve this quadratic equation, find out the value of x, and what is x? X is the breadth of the storehouse. Therefore, here is the minus 15 and the coefficient of x square is 1. Therefore, find out the factors of 15. Here the minus 15 means one is the factor of minus 15 is one is plus and another is minus. Therefore, the sum of the factors is we want here minus 2. Find out the difference of the factors of 15 whose difference is 2. Difference of factors in a one. We want difference in minus 2, therefore greater one is minus. Therefore, here the splitting of middle term is x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. X is common from those two, remaining is x minus 5 plus here is 3 as a common plus 3 divided by this 3 x is equal to x plus minus 3 15 equal to 0. X minus 5 as a common. If we divide this, we get in another bracket x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 5 here is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, here is the value of x is equal to plus 5 or x is equal to minus 3. Now, x is equal to minus 3 is value here. So, what about x? X is the breadth, and breadth never be negative. Therefore, what? Breadth or length? Breadth means length. Whose length is never negative. Therefore, x is not equal to minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to plus 5. And therefore, here the breadth x is equal to breadth is 5 meter and length therefore breadth of storehouse is equal to x means 5 meter and length of the storehouse is equal to x plus 7 means x is 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 meter. We'll see next problem. In second example, the train travels 360 km with uniform speed. The speed of the train is increased by 5 km per hour. It takes 48 minutes less to cover the same distance. Find the initial speed of the train. What is given here? The traveling distance is 360 km. In first, with the initial speed, it travels with that initial speed. It takes the more time, and if the speed of the train increase 5 km per hour, it takes 48 minutes less time than first time. First initial speed, and it takes some time. That time is more than the time required to the train if the speed is increased by 5 kilometers. The difference of the time is 48 minutes. We have to find the initial speed of the train. म्हणजे 360 किलोमीटर जाण्यासाठी सुरुवातीला ठराविक वेगाने गेल्यानंतर तिला लागणारा वेळ आणि 5 किलोमीटर प्रति तास स्पीड जर वाढवला तर लागणारा वेळ जो आहे तो 48 मिनिट्सने कमी येतो. कमी वेळ लागतो. म्हणजे स्पीड वाढवला तर टाइम कमी लागतो. तर त्यानुसार आपल्याला जो सुरुवातीचा वेग इनिशियल स्पीड आपल्याला काढायचा आहे. नाउ फर्स्ट we consider here the initial speed of the train. Let the initial speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. This is the initial speed of the train, and with that speed this distance travel in, suppose the time required, we can find the time. Here we have to know the speed of the train is here x kilometer per hour, and the distance traveled is 360 km. We can find by the formula the time is equal to distance divided by speed, and therefore, and this is the initial speed, and the next speed, the increasing speed is 5 km per hour. And this speed is called the new speed. The new speed P. Of the train is equal to 5 km more, means initial speed is x and increasing speed 5 km per hour means the speed is x plus 5 km per hour. Now, we have to the condition, and from that condition form equation here. There is a difference of times from the initial speed and increasing speed. First find the time of time required to travel 360 km by the speed of x kilometer, and then find the time required with the same distance with this speed x plus 5 km per hour, and the difference of this time is 48 minutes. There is an equation. First find the time required. Time for speed x kilometer per hour is equal to the distance divided by speed, and the distance is 360 divided by speed is equal to x, and this is the time, that is hour. Time is in hour, and the time required, time for or speed x plus 5 kilometer per hour is equal to 360 divided by x plus 5 hour. These are the you get the two times, and this time is with initial speed, means less speed, and this time is more with more speed, means this value is always greater than this value this time. Now from the given condition, the difference of time is 48 minutes. This 48 minutes takes less time. It takes 48 minutes less. Means there is a difference. 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5. And this difference is equal to 48 minutes. And these times are in hour. Therefore, 48 minutes is converted into hours divided by 60. 48 minutes is equal to 48 divided by 60. 60 मिनट का 10. चला 60 के भागा. Okay, this is the equation. Here is the 360 numerator. Here is also numerator 360. Dividing both sides by 360. We get here 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 48 divided by 60 into 360. Dividing both sides by 360. Dividing both sides by 360. Now here is divide both sides by 360. बार चौक 48, 12 पंचे 60, 4 1 4, 4 9 36, 4 0 0. Here is the equation. You get 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 400. Now by the concepts. Now you get adding this 1 into x plus 5 plus here is the subtraction. This is the subtraction here, minus 1 into x upon x into x plus 5 cube is equal to 1 by 450. Minus x plus x 0, 5 divided by multiplying this bracket x into x square plus 5 into x, 5x is equal to 10450. Now cross multiply. Two ratios are equal. Cross multiplication. 1 into x square plus 5x is x square plus 5x is equal to 5 into 450. x square plus 5x is equal to पाचशे शून्य पाचशे 25 पाचशे 22. Bring this to the left hand side, x square plus 5x minus 2250 is equal to 0. You get this quadratic equation. Now find out the factors of this. Here is the minus and therefore difference of the two factors of this number is 5. Find out the factors like this. Prime factors solve करायचे. Dividing 2 वेगवेगळे 4 वेगवेगळे 10 5 ने 10 5 ने 10 5 25 5 24 5 25 5 ने 10 5 5 ने बात होते हैं 5 24 ओके 5 24 पहले 2 5 25 5 9 45 3 9 आता काय करायचे हे जेवढे प्राइम फॅक्टर आहेत त्याचे दोन गट तयार करायचे आणि त्या दोघांचा मल्टिप्लिकेशन तर 2250 येणार आणि त्यांची बेरीज आपल्याला त्यांचा फरक किती पाहिजे आपल्याला 5. ॲडजस्टमेंट करायची दोन गट करायची 5 ने 15 15 ने 45 5 25 25 50 राईट. डिफरन्स 5 पाहिजे आपल्याला तर हे 45 आणि 50 म्हणजे 2250 चे दोन फॅक्टर आहेत. एक आहे 45 आणि दुसरा आहे 50. आपल्याला पाहिजे +5 प्लस टाइम मायनस टाइम x square plus 50x minus 45x minus 2250 equal to 0. Here is the common factor x plus 50 and value the type of minus 45 as a common. What is remaining? Minus plus 45 x minus plus 45 आता इथे 45 यांचा गुणाकार 2250 येतो म्हणजे 45 याला भाग दिला तर काय आहे 50 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 50 is one first factor and x minus 45 is equal to second factor, and here x plus 50 is equal to 0 or x minus 45 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 50 or x is equal to plus 45. What is x? X is the speed, and speed never be negative, but speed never negative. Therefore x is equal to minus 50 is not correct. Therefore x is equal to 45 is correct. And what is 45? The initial speed of the train. Therefore initial speed of the train is 45 kilometers per hour. In this way, we solve another one example. Third example: if 460 is divided by a natural number, quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor, and remainder is 1. Find quotient and divisor. If we divide this number by any natural any one of the natural number, you get the quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. This is the condition, and remainder is 1. Then find quotient and divisor. Here the divisor, the natural number b x, let the divisor b x, and if you know the divisor x, if you divided this, you get the quotient, but the quotient is in the given condition 6 more than 5 times the divisor. म्हणजे 5 times the divisor. डिवायझरच्या 5 पट पेक्षा 6 ने अधिक आहे. Therefore divisor is equal to 5 times more 5 times of the divisor. This is not divisor, quotient. The quotient is equal to the divisor dx, then quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor, means 5 times of the divisor more than 6. This is the quotient, and the remainder is given. Remainder is equal to 1. Now you know the condition, we know the relation between divisor, quotient and remainder. What is the condition? The dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. For the dividend, you know the given the dividend is 460 is equal to divisor is x, quotient is 5x plus 6 plus 1. If you solve this, you get this. From this condition, you get this equation: x 5x square plus 6x plus 1, 460 is equal to the, and write down this right hand side to the left side. 5x square plus 6x plus 1 is equal to 460, like this, and bring this term to the left. 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 is equal to 0. Therefore 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now there is no simplification. You cannot divide 5 to all the terms. Solve this. Find out the factors of 5 into 4 minus 459. 5 into minus 459. Now let's see what choice. Now let's see choice. 25. And the factors of this, it is also minus. The difference of the two factors is equal to, we want here 6. What should be passing up the last minus 3 ने भाग तो 3 में 3 3 में से 15 3 9 3 में 16 तो 3 में से 15 3 में 3 एक कौन आ रहा है 3 में 3 3 7 21 17 तो इतना बड़ा डिफरेंस है is 6 17 3 51 5 3 15 15 45 right. What are the two factors here? 5 15 3 45 आणि 17 3 51 म्हणजे इथे दोन जे फॅक्टर आहेत 45 आणि 51 म्हणजे डिफरन्स आहे 6 आणि तुम्हाला प्लस 6 दिलं पाहिजे म्हणजे हे प्लस साइन होतं आणि मायनस splitting the middle term 5x square plus minus 45x plus 51x minus 459 equal to 0. Therefore 5x is common here. We divide x is the remaining of the quotient plus minus minus plus now 45 plus 51 as a common. What is remaining? X plus minus minus a common row. Carry goes up equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 9 as a common, and remaining is 5x plus 51 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 9 equal to 0 or 5x plus 51 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 9 or here x is equal to minus 51 by 5. But here we want the divisor is a natural number. But this x is but divisor is a natural number. But x is equal to minus 51 by 5 is not natural number. Therefore, correct answer is x is equal to 9. Means x is the divisor. Therefore, divisor is equal to 9 and quotient is equal to 5x plus 6. 5x plus 6 means 5 into 9 plus 6 51. As like this, we will solve another one example. Last example I have solved on the blackboard. The example is in figure A. The quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium in which side AB parallel to side CD and its area is given here 33 centimeter square. From the given information in the figure, find the length of all sides of this trapezium. Now, what are the given things here? Quadrilateral is a trapezium. Side AB and side CD are parallel sides. These are the two opposite sides. They are parallel, and AD and BC are equal given. Means this trapezium is isosceles trapezium. AM is the height here. The length of the height is x minus 4 centimeter. Now, from this given, we have to make the equation. Now, here in solution, ABCD is a trapezium, AB and CD are parallel sides. AB is given x centimeter, to CD is given 2x plus 1 centimeter. AM is the height x minus 4 centimeter. AD is BC is equal to x minus 2 centimeter. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD is 33 centimeter square. Now we know the formula from the given thing. Area is given, therefore height and two opposite parallel sides are given. Therefore, we use the formula of the area of trapezium. The area of trapezium is 1/2 into sum of the two parallel sides into height. And substituting the values, area of this ABCD is 33 centimeter square. 1/2 into AB is x into 2x plus 1 CD into x minus 4. Now here is in bracket x plus 2x is 3x plus 1 into x minus 4 and this 2 is to be transferred to the right hand side and multiplied by 33 is equal to 66, and multiplication of this x minus 4 to this bracket is equal to x into 3x is 3x square, x plus x into 1 is x. Now then multiply by minus 4 to the to these two terms of this bracket, minus plus minus 4 into 3 is 12 into x, minus plus minus 4 into 1 is 4. Now here is 3x square plus 1x square, 3x square plus 1x minus 12x, and here plus 1x and minus 12x is minus 11x minus 4 as it is. Now here is this 3x square minus 11x minus 4 to the left hand side and 60 to the right hand side and taken here. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now this 66 to brings to here, you get 3x square minus 11x, and this is sum is minus 70. Now you get the standard form of this quadratic equation. Now multiplying 70 into 3, the 70 into 3 is 270, and 270 minus 210, and the factor of minus 210 are one is plus and another is minus, and they are 21 into 10, 21 into 10, and whose difference is equal to 11. 21 and 10 difference is 11. Now we want here minus 11, therefore highest number is minus and this is one is the plus. And then splitting the middle terms in this form and taking 3x as a common, x minus 7. Here is the plus 10 is common, we were remaining is x minus 7, and x minus 7 is a common, 3x plus 10 is remaining, and the multiplication of two factors is equal to 0, therefore one of them is maybe 0, another is maybe 0. Therefore x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 10 by 3. But x is the length of the this quadratic equation, one of the length of the quadratic equation, and which is negative, the length never be negative. Therefore this value is negligible. Therefore x is equal to 7 is the correct value. Therefore x is the one of the side AB whose length is 7 cm. CD is equal to 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is equal to this is the 15 cm, and AM, here is the AM height where x minus 4 that is equal to 7 minus 4 is 3 cm, and AD and BC are exactly equal, which are x minus 2, and they have 7 minus 3 is 5 cm each. Now all this is these are the examples like in applications of quadratic equations. You solve exercise, practice set and problem set. Thank you.